Today, I'll walk you through how to add a pet or car to your Snapchat map appearance, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your Snapchat map appearance so you can express yourself in a fun and unique way. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're not sure where to find it, just look for the yellow icon with a ghost. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, navigate to the map feature. To do this, simply swipe down on the camera screen. This will reveal the map view where you can see your friends and their locations. If this takes a moment, don't worry, it's totally normal. Now click on your Bitmoji, which represents you on the map. This action will bring up the My Appearance tab where you can make some fun modifications. Think of it like dressing up for a party, you want to look your best. From the My Appearance tab, you will see various options available to customize your avatar. Look for the sections where you can choose a car or a pet. This is where the fun begins. You can select a cute pet or a stylish car that reflects your personality. Keep in mind that the ability to modify your car and pet appearance is only available if you have the Snapchat feature enabled. If you don't see these options, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you've made your selections, simply save your changes. Your friends will now see your new pet or car on the map, adding a personal touch to your Snapchat experience. It's like adding a little flair to your online persona. If you followed these steps, congratulations. You've successfully added a pet or car to your Snapchat map appearance. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.